welcome back to my channel, and today unboxing we've got Glossybox. You see it? It comes in this nice black box and it does say Glossybox along there. You see that? There we go. Right, so Glossybox is £10 a month and £3.99 postage and packaging, and you can take it out over the year, which will save you some money. I also have a code which I will link it down below for Glossybox. And this is it. It comes out with a nice pink box this month. Right, so okay, so just try and remove that. Check it all down. One in bed. Right. So this is the Glossybox. And okay, so I'm going to open it, if it will. Right, okay, so here we go. Right, so I shall just take that off there like that. And we'll just open this like that. So you see it before I do. Right, okay, so what have we got this month? We have got this. It looks like a full box. It looks like you got loads of goodies in there. So I'm mighty impressed. So this is the Botanicals Moroccan Rose Superfood Facial Oil. I love oils, face oils. So that's really good. I'm impressed with that. And then we've got, what's this big box? It is Beauty Beneath Original Formula Fine Lines Wrinkles Skin Texture 60 Capsules Multi-Treatment Multi-Supplement. That's interesting. If this works or it's any good, I will let you know about it in my favourites. But it's going to be 60 capsules, so it's 1 month's supply, so it will be 30 days from now, so I will let you know if this actually works. So right, okay, so I'm just looking around this box and I see it's designed for fine lines and wrinkles and skin texture. It does have a liparin, biotin, vitamin C and E, zinc, marine, collagen, omega-3 and 6. There is 60 capsules and it's a multi-nutrient supplement. But this does have 2 sizes. It has like the large capsules and the small capsules. So I will just show you them. Let me just take them all out of this box. So those are the large capsules. Here we go. There we go. And these are the small ones. It doesn't have any more information. I thought it would have had some information about it on that, but it doesn't. So, and there we go again. So you see, the large ones is in a red pack, and the small ones is in the gold pack. So what it does say on the back of this, it does say the nutrition information that it does have vitamin D, vitamin E, vitamin C. It does have vitamin B2. Vitamin B6, biotin, and it has a load of them in. That's the small capsule one. And it has zinc in the small capsule one, and it has beta-carotene in the small capsule one, selenium, and zinc. I didn't mention zinc, I might have done. And in the large capsule one, it has kelp, lutein, lysine, coenzyme Q10, fish body oil providing omega-3, evening primrose oil providing omega-6, marine collagen, grapeseed extract providing polyphenol 27 milligrams. And it just says it's a nutrient-rich beauty supplement designed to work beneath the surface. In your youth, our bodies are constantly producing collagen, which gives the skin strength and structure, As we age, collagen starts to be destroyed faster than other bodies can produce it, meaning our skin loses that structure, fine lines, wrinkles start appearing, and the texture can feel rough. So, yep, it has all of that information. I don't want to read all because this video will be mega long if I read all of that. But I just wanted to show you about the large capsules that you have a choice to take and the small capsules. So there is 60 capsules in here, and it does say a month's supply. So I would suggest you get 3, 6, 12, 13, 14, 15. So you get 15. So there is 30 of those and 30 of those. So there is the 60 capsules. I would suppose that you have a choice. You can either take the little ones if you can't manage those, or the big ones. If you can't manage the big ones, you take the little ones. So yeah, so I would suggest that is what it is. Right, so if it's any good, I will leave it in my favourites. Keep watching for my favourite videos, because that would be really interesting for you, because anybody that likes to get rid of fine lines would like to know if that's actually worked. Right. So okay, so we have a Apica blush cream. Right, so I'll just pull these out and then we'll have a look at them in a few minutes. Right, so what is this? This is a, what are you? Nail Medic Nail Cuticle Energizer. So that's ideal for me because I'm always putting on false nails and I need to get my cuticles really soft for the plastic nail to go underneath. So I use that quite a lot, so that's really good. Oh, this is really good as well. I got this in my, what was it, cruelty free box. That was what I got in that, and that is really a good item. It really is. But so yeah, so that is the end of the box. So we'll have a look at the products that we got. So this is the green tea primer. So that's that. Right, okay, so we're going to move on to this, which is the blush cream. So this is by Apica Pollen, and this is their blush. Look at that, that's really a pretty colour. I'm just going to try that on. So that will just, well, my boys with it. Just dab it on there. Is it working? I think it is. Actually, I can see a little difference now. I'm just going to look at that in the mirror. Let me know in the comments if you see any difference with that, because it looks nice on my hand, back of my hand, the colour, but I don't know if it's actually worked. So this is Cream Pollen Blush, and so that is that. And then we got this, which is the Botanics Rose Water. Has a scent of roses as well. I don't want to drink it. Oh, it has a gorgeous smell of roses. I love the smell of roses as well. So that is really good. So I'm happy with that. That's really good. And then we got just a cuticle oil. And we're going to read the information. So yes, so this is the inside your box. We got the Elven Iona Cosmetics Green Tea Primer, which is £22. That is really expensive, that one. I've had that one before. I don't know if it's full size, but it is a 20ml and it is £22. So then we got the Moroccan Superfood Facial Oil. This is only travel size, but the proper price of this is £55, and that will be a full size price. So that's just travel size, and you get quite a lot. I mean, that is a good sample size. So that is really good. And the Nail Medic, this is $5.99, and I'm sure that this is full size. So that is full size, yep, $5.99. And this, I think that this is cream blush. I think that this is £22, and it doesn't tell you whether this is full size or not. But it is really nice. I do like it. Right, okay, so then we have February sneak peek. What is it? Make sure your Glossy Up doesn't let you down on Valentine's Day. February's Glossybox contains the Studio 10 Makeup Mist Glow Collection, a primer, hydrating spritz, setting spray all in one, and it'll brighten skin, refine pores, and keep your makeup fresh and glowing. Right, so there we go. And then there was these as well. These is £39.99 in Boots. So that is, wow, that is amazing. Really good stuff. So that is that. And I also have a, have you heard of Glossy Credit? Refer a friend, Glossybox, and you can earn up to £10 to spend on the biggest beauty site in the UK, lookfantastic.com. Stocking over 400 brands, you're bound to find your favourite. And did we mention that your bestie will receive 20% off their first Glossybox too? What are you waiting for? Visit glossybox.co.uk, my referrals list. So this is the Happy New Year Glossies. It's 2018 up on us Glossies, and although we finally deglittered following a month of fun-filled festives, there are a few things we need to take care of before we take full flight with the new year rebooting, regenerating. This month we're hitting the reset button. Oh, sorry, I thought it said rest button. And putting self-care at the top of our priority list. We'll be drawing long baths and indulging nourishing skincare formula that will coat complexion back to full health. In this month's box you'll find generous treats to help you do the same. Right, okay, so that is that. So there we go, we've read the information, and this box is now empty. So that is that box done. If you like my video, thumbs up, like, share, please subscribe to my channel, and I shall see you all in my next video. It's chance to be an unboxing because I think I've got Rockerbox coming, and I think that I might have the cruelty free box coming. And so yep, so like, share, please subscribe to my channel, and I shall see you all in my next video. Bye bye.